there, my name is Teacher Faye. I am 21 years old and I'm from the Pearl of the Orient, Philippines. I am a graduate of Information Technology Education. I also have 10 months teaching experience online. I used to teach English to Chinese kids, teens, and adults. As your English teacher, I will help you achieve your greatest potential and also be the best version of yourself. I am a supportive, patient, thoughtful, and cheerful type of teacher. I can make our classes interactive and fun. So come and let's learn the English language together. Bye!